start as wishes and glimpses of what your life could be.
People who came to know me when I was already a mayor or when I was already a congressman, laging nilang sinasabi, I have been so blessed. Naging mayor na ako,
With
naging
persistence,
natawan na ako,
it is transformed
and I have reached
to a
this
compelling
state.
vision.
But I have been always saying na hindi ko narating itong posisyon ko sa isang mabilis at magaang na paraan. My constituents in the city of Dasmariñas know for a fact that the first time that I ran for public office as mayor was in 1980. It was only in 1998 or after a period of 18 years that I was able to have my dream of being a mayor. The first time that I ran for congressman was way back in 1987. And it was only after 20 years that I realized my ambition of being a member of our legislative.
Dreams fuel passion. It drives us into action, ignites our motivation. Dreams become our inspiration.
With the experiences which I have suffered and encountered, I must say that there are several lessons which I have learned. Like in the corporate world, or like our investors in the city of Dasmariñas, everyone, every individual must have a dream. He must have a vision for tomorrow, and he must have a goal. It was my dream as a small child to be a lawyer. It was my vision that once I become a lawyer, I would be a public figure. I would be a successful politician. And it has been also my goal that once I have been elected to public office, I would be able to deliver the best public service to my constituents. While it is true that there must be some goal or ambition, it is not easy to realize our goals. As I have stated, in practically all commencement exercises, our vision and goals would be useless until and unless they are realized. Wala pong silbi ang lahat ng ating pangarap, ang lahat ng ating panaginip, kung ito ay hindi magkakatotoo. There is no easy road in reaching our success. The road to success is long. And as you pass by that road, there will be challenges. Never surrender, never give up. We see no reason why we cannot achieve our goals.
Life is tough. That's a given. When you stand up, you're going to be shoved back down. When you're down, you're going to be stepped on. My advice to you, it's no secret. You'll fall down, you'll stumble, you'll get pushed, you'll land square on your face. But every time that happens, you get back on your feet. You get up just as fast as you can, no matter how many times you need to do it. Remember this: success has been and continues to be defined as getting up one more time than you've been knocked down. Nothing is free, and living ain't easy. Life is hard, real hard, incredibly hard. Once you decide that, you will know where it is you want to be, and you won't stop pushing forward until you get there. That's how winners are made. At the end of the day, success is what we all want. We all want to win. And the race will be won. There's no question about that.
A man with a dream is ready to take actions to achieve his dream.
Hindi madali, no, yung pinagdaanan ko dahil working student ako during that time. So yun yung, kumbaga siya yung naging key, no, kung bakit ko naisipan magtayo ng school. Kinonceptualize ko tong programa, yung Dual Training System Program ng NCST. NCST, Institute of Industrial Research and Training, yan yung programa na tayo lang, no, very unique sa atin sa buong Pilipinas. We were able to copyright yung Certificate in Manufacturing Technology and the Diploma in Production Technology program na ladderized to BS Industrial Engineering. Of course, it cost us millions just to set up yung programang yun. Challenges siguro, 10 yung initial nating estudyante. Pero dun sa vision ko, kumbaga, ang dami kong nakikitang estudyante matutulungan natin. But yun nga, in reality, 10 lang. So, but yun, hindi tayo nawala ng pag-asa, hindi tayo sumuko para lang i-introduce ito. Kumbaga, para kang 5 taong paulit-ulit binabasted, no? Pero hindi tayo sumusuko. Siguro yun yung key element natin, yung perseverance, kailangan nandun. Kung meron tayong gustong gawin, huwag tayong susuko. Good signs, no? Nakikitaan na natin, maakyat ng maakyat. Then, ngayon, we were able to reach about 18,000 students already for that program alone. Nakarating nga kami sa Iling, no? Iling Island. So, nagkaroon kami ng chance matulungan yung mga out-of-school youth dun sa area. So, yun, sabi ni Father Fernando Suarez, I think kailangan manominate kita sa TOYM dahil nagbibigay impact sa ating mga kabataan at the same time sa ating bayan. Sabi nga, new breed heroes tayong co-produce. I think we need more social entrepreneurs nowadays, no? Ang ating city government, talagang they're very focused pagdating sa, no, yung social development aspect. Marami rin silang scholarship programs na that will equip our students, no, mindset. So we should focus our, kumbaga, energy do sa positive things instead sa negative things, no?
Feels a great desire towards his dream. Feels the need to get this dream. Believes the dream will come true and he can make it come true.
Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na talagang maging manggagawa. Maging mabait, tsaka magaling na doktor. Mula pagkabata hanggang college, parents have been very supportive. Kaso nga lang, pagdating noong college, doon na-aksidente yung father ko. And then, so siya yung pinaka-provider namin. So, doon nagkaroon ng dilemma. Nagkataon na nagkaroon ng scholarship, but meron talaga kaming financial problem. So, uti mo matitirhan, uti mo yung panggastos, yung pamasahe, pambili ng libro. Naalala ko, wala akong libro. Hihintay ko munang matulog yung mga classmates ko. Tapos doon ko pala babasahin yung mga libro nila. Kasi wala akong sarili kong libro. Being the first doctor in the family, walang maka-understand kung gaano kahirap yung difficulty. Yung mahaba ka ng nag-aaral, ilang taon, hindi ka makakatulong pa, you have to focus. Bukod pa yung specialization. Sumasagi siya sa isip mo na gusto mo na mag-give up. Lalo kapag na-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba. Iba mas matalino. Iba merong kakayanan ng pinansyal. Na-realize ko, kung anong meron ka, pwede mo i-develop yun eh. Pwede mong gamitin to your advantage. At sa awa naman ng Panginoon, may nagpro-provide eh. May tumutulong, may naniniwala. Yun, enough na inspiration. Ako born and raised talaga ako sa Dasmariñas. Dito na ako pinanganak. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, na darating ang panahon, ako naman yung tutulong. Mayor Jenny Barzaga, tsaka si Congressman TB. Yung binigyan nila ako ng pagkakataon and ng break para mag-serve sa Dasmariñas. Sila yung mentor ko in terms sa leadership, sa excellence, sa service, and sa integrity. Lolo ko yung, habang lumalaki ko, siya yung nag-alaga sa akin. And nung nagkasakit siya, hindi pa ako nagme-medicine, pero siya yung una ko naging patient. Nagkaroon siya ng leukemia. Siya yung inalagaan ko. And bili niya talaga sa akin, pag ikaw doktor na, kailangan maging mabait ka. Hindi ka masungay ka na nakangiti sa pasyente mo. So, lolo ko yung isa sa mga sabi ko na inspiration ko. May degree din ako sa Drug Rehabilitation Management under DOH. Ngayon, magkakaroon ako ng bagong clinic sa Dasmariñas. And then, consultant din ako ngayon sa isang rehabilitation center sa Piela. So, tinutulungan natin yung mga kapatid natin na biktima ng drug abuse. Ako naniniwala ako na ang kapalaran natin, yung mga pangarap natin, kaya nating abutin. As long as naniniwala ka, tapos sasamahan mo ng passion, mahalaga yung pananampalataya mo rin sa Panginoon. Siya kasi yung una nagtanim sa'yo ng pangarap. So siya rin din yung magpuprovide.
In the city of Dasmariñas, the vision of the youth is given proper recognition. We nurture the dream. As we work to make a city that is conducive for competitive and productive students, we also highlight their outstanding achievements and meritorious accomplishments.
Kasi may knowledge ako na kapag gumraduate ka with honors, meron kang chance mag-college. So, nag-aral akong mabuti. I graduated as valedictorian sa Dasmariñas West year 2007. May binibigay nga daw pong scholarship ang city government. I took the exam. That was May 2007. And then, tumawag sa akin ang city government ng Dasma na pasado nga daw po. And yun, sobrang saya na naka-enter ako ng college kasi at that time, second year nursing student yung ate ko. So, ang nasa isip ko talaga, baka mag-stop ako 1 year or 2 years, patapusin mo na yung ate ko. But then, God gave me that scholarship na galing sa city government of Dasma. So, I took it and then I enrolled as student of BS Accountancy in Cavite State University main campus in Indang. Ang hirap kasi hindi stable yung family. Yung papa ko electrician and then yung mama ko housewife siya. So 5 kaming magkakapatid. Yung ate ko nag-aaral ng nursing. Merong 3 sumunod sa akin na maliliit pang bata. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya ko yun. Kasi may scholarship naman, and then sabi sa city government ng Dasma, i-maintain ko lang yung grade ko, na alam ko namang kaya ko yun. Kailangan kong magpursige para mapatuloy ko yun. 5th year, inisip ko, may review na ako, kasi may CPA board na darating for the next year. So, I have to work. Nag-work ako as service crew ng Jollibee sa SM Market Mall sa Kadiwa for 5 months para makaipon for the review. Sobrang saya lang kasi nandito ako ngayon sa posisyon ko ngayon. Nagtatrabaho ako bilang accountant sa isang real estate company. Magdadalawang taon na po ako doon. Dinaan ko sa tiyaga at sipag yun. Wala kaming kaya sa buhay. Dahil gusto kong matupad yung mga pangarap ko. At kailangan kong suportahan ng pamilya ko. I graduated cum laude nung college ako, BS Accountancy. And I received a text from City Government of Dasmariñas na kasama nga daw ako for Gawad Karangalan. Naramdaman ko na naman yung saya na once again, marirecognize yung hardships, yung lahat ng pagsisipag mo sa pag-aaral, nire-recognize sa City of Dasmariñas. City Scholar, binigyan ako ng award, and then another award for cum laude. And at patuloy ko pong ipapasalamat ang biyaya at karangalan na dinadala ko ngayon dahil sa ibinigay nilang scholarship.
the Gawad Karangalan ng Lungsod ng Dasmariñas is an annual event that recognizes the best and brightest among Dasmariñeño students of both public and private schools. We salute those who push themselves to the edge and realize that their dreams have no boundaries. Scholars who continue to prove that success lies in the ability to develop dreams, chase them, believe in them, and achieve them. Honor students who pursued their passion out of the field of dreams and into the realm of reality. We acknowledge the teachers, parents, and guardians for collectively believing that dreams are worth the sacrifice. Dreams are worth pursuing. For our leaders, with each flag or medal given, one more dream is fulfilled. The Gawad Karangalan inspires us all to dream bigger and work harder. Dreams can help us see the invisible, believe in the incredible, and achieve the impossible. Dasmariñeños, let us keep our hearts open to dreams. For as long as there's a dream, there is hope.